What is going on, you guys? How are y'all doing? And welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are actually doing a video with the brand new McLaren Artura that actually just released last year. But before we introduce them, I'm going to show you guys the car. But check this out. This thing is so gorgeous. If you guys remember, this one was at the toy drive, the first toy drive meet that I went to.
The toy drive, man?
It is, man. That color is sick. Oh no, that's not a 570. What is that? But this thing is so gorgeous. He just got a couple upgrades I'll have him talk about. This is Roy. Roy?
Howdy.
How long have you had your McLaren?
This has been about 5 months now, so it's pretty new to me still.
And when I first talked to you at the toy drive, you said it was the absolute most fun car you've had. Do you still love it?
Yeah, I still love it. Great handling, super tight steering on it, and the acceleration is just insane.
That's so cool. Have you had any other like supercar other than this before? Or?
No, this is my first supercar.
Wow,
so.
That's cool. What a first supercar, man. Before we started filming, you were telling me about the upgrades that you just had put on it. Tell the audience that's watching what you just got done.
Right, so McLaren, as long as it's under warranty, gets free upgrades to software and stuff. So they put it up to 720 horsepower now, which did something with increased power to the hybrid powertrain. The turbos spool up faster, and yeah, it was a good almost 50 horsepower upgrade from what it used to be. That's
awesome. That's so cool. Let's check out the interior. Yeah, check this out, you guys. Look at the lighting inside on the doors. The leather is just so cool. The gauge console. That is just so sick. Now, when you're driving it, do you feel like you're pretty snugged in there and you're pretty tight?
Yeah, you feel like you're in like a fighter plane cockpit kind of thing.
That's so cool.
The seats hug you well. The downside is like the seats, they don't adjust or anything, so they'll like slide like this way, forwards and backwards, but the rest is all, yeah, you can't adjust the back or anything like that. So if you fit, you fit. If you don't, you don't.
That's so funny. Well, that would suck for really tall people, like over 6'3" or 6'5".
Yeah, they might be hitting their head on the ceiling. Me at 6 foot, I fit in there fine. No
That's
problem.
good. That's awesome. Now, I've seen some cars have this, but the seats aren't adjustable, but the foot pedals are adjustable. Does this have that?
No, it doesn't. The seat it's like on a slider, so it'll rock and slide back and slide forward. But it's basically McLaren's way of keeping you in that perfect driver position of always being your feet kind of up and down into the footwell.
That's awesome. Well, sweet. Well, I know you just got here, but should we go for a little rip and, you know? Woo. You can hear the turbo spooling. It's not loud, but I'm sure he's gonna get the exhaust done eventually. But I'll show you guys opening the door. I've never opened a McLaren door. Oh, that is so sick. All right. Now, Roy, let me ask you something. When you're driving it, I mean, you probably haven't tracked the car, but when you're driving it like around corners, does it feel like it's just planted and doesn't want to go anywhere? Yeah, there's no body roll whatsoever to it. I mean, it's like on ice skates, you know, you just... That is so cool. That's one thing I've heard about McLaren's platform is their cars are just so planted and their driving just feels so cool. So does this Artura, does it have different drive modes, like a comfort mode, a track mode, and a sport mode? Right, yep. Wow. This just gets up and goes. That is so cool. And I love how the seats just hug you. Space. Oh, for sure. Okay, ready? Yep. You can feel the turbo. Oh yeah! All of a sudden you're like. For those of you guys that are watching, it's hard to describe because, and the carbon brakes, those are crazy. What he was just saying is you can really feel the turbo start spooling. Once they start spooling, it just wants to go. After the speed bump. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! You can feel, I mean, oh my goodness, it's like a roller coaster. Yeah, you can feel that, like your face just going. Yeah. Wow. How much torque does this have? 680 pounds, I think, something like that. Wow. And I feel the car, it just wants to grip and go. It's like there's no loss of traction. Yeah, it's
it's a hard car to do a burnout in. They whatever software and stuff they use in it, it really prevents it from, you know, doing a burnout. So
they're not all-wheel drive, are they?
no, just rear-wheel drive.
Okay.
You do have something called, it's not available right at the moment, but you can change your drift angle too. So if you want to do a little drifting in the car, how much the rear end slides out.
That is
which
cool.
is a cool little feature, yeah.
That's so sick. What other plans do you have for this Artura? Do you want to do major upgrades on it, or?
Probably nothing while it's still under warranty. You know, you don't want to avoid that
Right.
too much. One thing, probably a little bit better, louder exhaust on it at some point in time. Right now it has the sports exhaust, which is about the loudest one McLaren has available for you.
Right, right.
But yeah, so that would probably be the major thing to do.
Yeah, you guys, check out the lights on the door. That is just so cool. And I think I remember Rory saying when I first saw his car that you can change these colors of the lights too on the door. That is so cool. The carbon trim. That is so sick. Yeah, you guys, look at this. This thing is just so cool. Hey, what's up, buddy? You're in the video. Say what's up to the vlog. Yeah, you guys, this thing was just so fantastic. Like I said, we'll do another video when the weather gets warmer, and I'll connect with Roy, and he'll probably be able to get on it a lot more. But I'll pop Rory's Instagram up actually for you guys. You guys can go check him out. This thing was just so cool to do a ride along with. That is so cool. Alrighty, you guys, that does it for the video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up button. Do not forget to subscribe. And if any of you guys have a dope car that you want me to do a video with or interview with or ride along with, hit me up on Instagram or leave your Instagram or comment down below, and let's connect together sometime and we'll do a video. So with that being said, Happy New Year to you guys, and hopefully you guys stay safe, and I will see y'all in the next one. So peace.